It's my time. Oh, my mama. Bitch, I'm gonna shine.
Sulla nuova Sport TV.
Meta madala Facebook TV. Sport madala.
Ai, anashini awusitwana khona umuntu
Wenzani?
sufuna ukusithi ufika nje.
Hawu, engazodlala la ungazodlala. Hawu,
Sona ngo-1 Book TV.
hayi, secret winner usiphethe ngisho noma Ulala phansi. Uzodlala la, hamba phansi. Isuka la. Hawu.
Yini manje i-breadwinner?
Breadwinner umuntu osebenzayo ebeka isinkwa etafuleni. Akayazi nje. Ngeke nje.
Hayi, yabuya.
Yabuya.
Can I sit?
What's your name?
I don't care.
Hey. Uphise laphana.
My name is T. I'm your neighbor. I'm from next door. I'm looking for a job. Any job, ma'am.
Asinawo.
Any job, ma'am. I can do it.
Wona ungipha.
Ma'am. Talk to your mom. I need a job, and I'm serious. I need money.
Asinawo.
Ma'am, we don't even have a bread. We need some. I'm hungry as fuck. I want to be called by a breadwinner. I want to be a breadwinner.
Oh my God!
Yeah, I want to have the money. Okay, ma'am, can you give me some money?
Imali.
Yeah, I'll give you back. But I guess I'll.
Sho.
Sure.
Sho baba.
Sure. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yini non? Yini le? Isim breadwinner. Okay, ngifazane ngenye indlela. I-breadwinner umuntu osebenzayo mase beka imali etafuleni. Abengasho mina le. Ngiyaphila. Ngiyaphila.
Hayi, ahambe manje.
Vele besilambe thatha isinko kitchen first.
Ubeka isinkwa singasivula futhi namanje.
Alimaqala isivule ntwana sibeke.
Hayi, ahambe ngosibeka. Ufike ubeke lapha sofika sesosile.
Yeah.
Siyabonga.
Sabona mshana.
Breadwinner.